In this vlog, we'll try to see how we can automate AI flow on our local system. So in our previous vlog, we have covered the Ollama installation and we tried installing a model locally on our system and tried fetching the information without having the internet connectivity. So this blog I have clearly explained you all the things regarding the Ollama setup on your local machine, and if you have not gone through it, I suggest you to just have a look at it. And if you're a beginner, again this would be a must watch for you before getting started with this particular vlog. And in this vlog, as we have said, we'll try to unlock the AI automation locally on your machine. Yes, we are not going to have any hosting plans, or we are not going to host anything somewhere. In one word, what I can say is this complete flow is free of cost for you. So we'll be just utilizing the free tools and try to do this. And while let's get started with this particular vlog and try automating your flow for free now. The final goal what we try to attain is the N8N automated workflows on your system. So you might have heard this particular tool well before, and you might have also seen people try to host this on the servers. And for the beginners, what I observed is when they try to learn the things right, then it might not be feasible to get started with the paid plans. So what I thought is, let's try to make it self-hosted, and again on your local machine itself, let's try to do this through the local host and try automating the flow. So here, this particular vlog is one step before automation process through N8N. So in this vlog, we'll try to install a tool, and again the tool is wide popular. It's not a new tool which I am introducing to you. Most of you might be well familiar with already. You are been utilizing the tool some other task as well. So we are just fine tuning that particular tool according to our automation flow. That's it. So here, the first step here is like when you try to install N8N manually, right, then it might not be advised mostly for the beginners, because the things might turn out messy, because you might not get a proper flow like how to do the things manually on yourself, like configuring the N8N on your system. So to make it easy, simple, just in a one line, I can say just one line of command, you can get a very good configuration and unbreakable configuration, I can say. So that is the main aim of this vlog. And again, don't think just it's a tool installation. This is a much more required step and considered like a foundation for your automation flow. So till now what we have done is we are done with the Ollama installation, and here's the vlog link. I suggest you to just go through it. And the final step what we are trying to do is N8N automation. And the bridge what I want to do in this vlog is the Docker. Yes, I again don't think it's just like a Docker installation vlog. No, I'm not going to do a simple Docker installation vlog, and this is not that. And I'm not going to provide a lot of information around Docker even. So if you just want to know about the Docker things, right, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll be dealing with a separate vlog on complete information regarding Docker, why we require it, and what is the actual purpose. All these things we'll discuss in another separate vlog. So this is just as an automation series. We are going to have a Docker, and why Docker I will be telling you. That's it. Let's try to proceed with this particular Docker installation and try to see how easily it would be possible with this particular tool. Without this Docker, right, if you try doing the things manually, it might work, but it will take a lot of time, and for the beginners it will be like a nightmare. So while let's jump to the Docker official website. There we try to grab some concept and try to download it. So here, this is the official website of Docker here, and let's try to download the Docker for our local machine. And also, if you try to see build AI agents is now easy. Yes, this is what I was trying to explain you. Now it was not the earlier way of utilizing the Docker. Here we have got some advanced tools, and the N8N containers are available within the Docker. So it's just a one click that you get the N8N configured on your local machine, like self-hosted, which we have already discussed. So here I suggest you to download the Docker based on your machine configuration. So mine is Apple Silicon and I have just downloaded the file. It is around 511 MB, and again make sure you have a proper internet connection before going for this particular download, because it's not just a Docker download. Again, you need to download the containers as well. So here is the Docker DMG. Let's try installing it. And also I suggest you to go through the documentation if you are a fresher and interesting to know much about Docker, right? There is a beautiful documentation provided by the Docker team over here. Just have a look and just let me know in the comment section below if you require a separate vlog completely on that. Okay, now we have installed the Docker. Let's try running the Docker here. So here we have got our Docker desktop up and running. Here you can see we have got the notification as well, like version 4.46.0 is now successfully installed, and in the next vlog we'll try downloading the N8N on the Docker. So meanwhile you can just try searching N8N here, and here you have got this particular option. Just try pulling this onto your Docker and try running this. In the next vlog we'll try to see how we can run the automation flow on our system, and also why Docker, why we are going for the Docker. Based on the project wise, we need not install all the things and make the environment ready. So every time it's not possible, like on your local machine you can't make multiple environments to be done at a single phase of time. So using the Docker, right, you will be having separate containers and each container will be made according to that particular project or requirement. So one container might be on Linux, one might be on Windows, one might be on Mac. Again, for just an example sake, I'm explaining to you. I'm just saying operating systems here, but even you might have a Python version for a particular project and a different Python version for another project. So this might be a real-time scenario where it is not possible to maintain multiple versions of a Python on a local machine, right? So here we try to make use of this particular Docker and try to provide a separate container where you deal with all these sort of things. And similarly for N8N, we need not create everything manually when you go for the container, right? So here let's go for the container, and in the search I have already searched for N8N container. Here you can see we have got the N8N container. You can just pull it and that will be downloaded onto your local machine, and the next time when you want to run this particular N8N container, right, here you can see the workflow for it. You can just run on it and the N8N will be running on background. So from the local host, right, you can go to that particular port number and try login through your N8N portal. So this is again a self-hosted portal free of cost. So that is it. I just wanted to provide in this part of the vlog. So I hope you have got a good knowledge on the foundation step what we are going to deal in this part of automation series. If you like this vlog, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.